Toyota K33-A knit tracers work in a very similar manner to other charting devices, but they are unique enough that they deserve their own video series. In this series, we'll address 3 different things. This movie is devoted to disassembling so that you can actually do any servicing that's necessary. Then we will talk about some issues that can occur with the clutch and failure to advance the mylar. Those 2 things will each be their own movie, and you may want to watch this one along with it, because to address those issues, you still have to go into the machine. Jack is indicating to you here that these 2 screws are different from the remainder of the ones on the metal outside casing. At least on the unit we have to experiment with, these 2 are gold. The others are silver in color. He's removing the gold ones now. Just make sure you set them aside because the others are interchangeable and these are not. In order to go farther in than just taking off the outer metal cowling, you have to remove the knobs. Each is held on by a single recessed set screw. There are 2 additional screws holding the front face down. A tip from Jack: when reinstalling the knobs, turn them so that the set screws are dropping down into the slot for the screw, and let gravity help you align them. That's really the only tricky part. Just make sure you keep your hardware sorted so that when reassembling, you can restore every screw to its original position. We've sped this film up so that you don't have to watch every turn of the screw, so it's going to take you a little longer than the 2 minutes this video runs. However, it isn't a very difficult process getting in and out of the K33-A, and there's a world of information to look at once you're in. In the next videos, Jack will help you with a couple of real-life problems that are frequent with the Toyota knit tracer.